In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit ETH or Ethereum to Deribit. So on your dashboard, click this wallet button and then you'll be redirecting to the account wallet page, which you will see here wait for it to load up, the list of all cryptocurrency that you can deposit in. So since we are going to deposit on Ethereum, simply click this deposit button from the actions, and then as you can see in here, I don't have enough balance in here. So make sure you have an enough balance from your bank. So in here, I don't have yet a deposit address since my account is not yet fully verified. So make it verified first in order to access the deposit address that you can copy. And then once you copy your deposit address, paste it to the chosen bank of yours that you want to take a money from. And that's it. That's how to deposit a ETH to Deribit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.